Do you guys have those closets that seem to be super messy? Yeah, this is one of mine. I moved into my new place a couple months ago, and now it's time to actually organize this linen closet. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Lisa Heiss with the Frugal Living Network. I love to share words of encouragement, ways to save money, and all of that. So one tip I do have, you guys, as you begin to go into the new season of spring, all of that, is clean out your closets before you buy anything new. So before I go to Costco, and usually once a year, once a quarter, I will hit up Costco, do some major shopping, all that jazz. So I'm going through my linens, health stuff, all of that, and seeing what I actually need, what I can throw away, what I can give, all of that. I'm so excited. This just feels so much better, you guys. So much more organized. Actually has a system. It's labeled and all of that. So super organized. Just feels so good. So I will just kind of begin the linen closet tour from the beginning or the bottom. So down here, I just have the extra bedding. I try to have one pair of sheets for like spring, summer, and then one for like fall, winter. So I have not switched my bedding yet. It's been really rainy and cold here in Oregon. So I'll probably do that end of March, and then just a few extra pillowcases when people come over or stay the night. Up here, I just have spare towels. I use these when I go to the gym and I want to shower at the gym. I use those ones. This is one of my spring projects, is to hang all of these guys. So these will be really fun. Yeah, so I'll do that. And then I went to Costco, refilled, got a huge pack of toilet paper. That's definitely a necessity. Try to do like maybe 2 to 3 pops of Costco a year. I don't really do Costco too much just because I think it can really hit the budget. We can overspend, and so I really don't even have a membership, so I go with a friend, so it keeps me from overspending. And then just right here is just kind of basic necessities that I feel like always having on hand is good, or extras is nice. So down here I've just got some dental care. These little containers are from the dollar store. And also these ones, these were new this year. I thought they were really cute. So when I moved in January, I picked these up. I just thought they were super adorable. These labels I actually got on Amazon. I will put the link down below how you can also purchase them. So I've got like dental care. I've got soaps. I need to do like a label for that one. I couldn't find anything, but this is just kind of like, you know, like Q-tips, cotton balls, facial tissues, etc. And then I did get a big pack of, I want to say detergent. It's not detergent. My goodness. You know what I'm talking about. Okay, I don't know why I can't think about it. But, yeah. So, got some dish. Why am I saying dish stuff? Oh my gosh, you guys, I can't talk. Oh my gosh. For your teeth. You know what I'm talking about, okay? Oh my goodness. Yeah. Teeth brushing items. Oh my goodness, I cannot get my words out. Okay, so up here is just first aid items. I actually have done wilderness first aid training several years, and so been certified in that. So I just feel like always having a first aid kit is just vital, not only in your house, but in your car, and especially if you go outdoors, hiking, etc. And then down here is just extra medicines. I do need to go through this, so this will probably be one extra project I do in the springtime. And then I have so many COVID tests. Oh my goodness. Working in healthcare, a hospital, got a lot of COVID tests. And then up here, I actually have a foot bath, kind of like you can put your foot in there or your feet in there, and then soaking, put some essential oils, maybe like a mini pedicure from home, all of that. So this is just kind of the before and after. Sorry, the people outdoors is doing the yard. So yeah, so this is just a little bit of the after. So much toothpaste. That's the word I was trying to get. Oh my gosh, I could not think of toothpaste. That is so funny. Okay, So this is toothpaste, and then this is mouthwash. Okay, guys. Oh my goodness, I could not get those words. So anyways, so here is just a little bit of an after. Like I said, I will put the links down below of where to get these labels. Guys, when you're doing spring cleaning and starting to kind of get into that mode, I mean, I highly encourage maybe just doing it on a budget, setting a budget. I think we can go so overboard trying to be Pinterest worthy of, having everything perfect. Guys, it does not have to look perfect. Just do what works for you. Make it like a system that's going to be easy for you, your family, your kiddos, whatever, so you can grab and go. You can refill easily. That it just, if you're doing your towels, you can throw them in. You got toilet paper, house supplies, all of that. So anyways, guys, just thought I would share just a quick linen closet tour and how I did it on a budget. But I will be sharing lots and lots of videos over the next couple of weeks, months, etc., on how to spring clean and decorate on a budget. I will be more off social media. I am actually doing for Lent, getting off social media, but I will still post probably a YouTube video one a week. So either Sunday or Monday, and then also my newsletter. So definitely be sure to subscribe. Anyways, guys, if you are new, I would love to have you a subscriber here on Frugal Living Network channel. Check me out over on social media, Frugal Living Network also, and Facebook. Make it a great spring season. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.